Okay, so when you want to use this kind of devices, the GSM car key with mini Spy invisible earpiece. For example, if you not hear nothing in your earpiece, or maybe you hear some noise, or maybe the sound quality, the voice of your helper is have a poor quality. What can you do in this kind of situation? So I will explain exactly what you can do for all situation. First, for example, if you not hear nothing in the earpiece, first thing what you have to do is to replace the battery. Keep in mind, you have to replace the battery after. My advice is to replace after each one use. Try to replace the battery for the earpiece. In regular situation, in normal use, normal way, when you put a new battery, and if the earpiece is working well, this is the right position how to put the battery. Okay, the battery have two faces. One, you have some words right here, and another one you have a cycle on the. You can see the circle, and here you have some words. I don't sure if you can see, but keep in mind you have to put the battery with the words like this in the cover, and after that put the earpiece, scroll a little bit up before and forward, okay, to catch the screw, okay, and screw. Okay, if you have a small space here, don't worry, it's fine, but not force. When you arrive to the finish, okay, not force, to not broken the to not remove the cover screw. So if the earpiece, it's okay when you put the battery in the right position, and if you put the earpiece inside your ear, clean very good before, because if you have a yellow wax is sticky and can damage the earpiece. So when you put inside your ear, you must hear a small noise. The noise is like this: is a this noise. Don't worry, is normal. Okay, if you not hear this noise, and you have to replace the battery, and if you replace the battery and you put in the right position, try first to check another source of the battery, because sometime maybe you can have from where you buy the battery can be a low quality lot of the battery. So try to find the battery from another source and try to put in the earpiece. If you do like this, and if the same you don't hear nothing, and you sure and you check the right position of the battery and you not hear nothing, you cannot have to do. You need to replace the earpiece. This mean the yellow wax he go inside the earpiece, he enter inside and he damaged the earpiece. So you need to replace the earpiece. Okay, so check the battery, change the source of the battery, and use a new battery, and check the position to be the right, to put the battery in the right position in the earpiece. This you can do for if you're not hear nothing in the earpiece. The last thing, you have to replace the earpiece. Okay, so another situation, maybe you hear some noise, but not like this. If it's this is normal, is a regular and noise, and you must hear. If you not hear anymore, this means the for surely, and the voice of your helper have a low intensity, and you have to replace the earpiece. So like I say, if you hear some noise, keep in mind the earpiece can no all electrical devices, for example, electrical engine, or maybe if you are in the car and you start the engine of your car, not electrical, maybe a fuel engine, a gas engine, okay, petrol engine. He emitting some noise, and the earpiece can catch this noise if you are nearby, and amplify this noise, and you can hear more higher inside your ear. So when you use this kind of earpiece, try to have a little distance between you and your car. Stop the engine, or if you stay nearby electrical engine, the same is not good, because for surely you will hear some noise inside your ear. So keep the distance from electrical devices when you use this earpiece. This is what you can do if you hear noises. If you hear very high noises and you are far from electrical devices, this means the same. The earpiece is broken, the yellow wax go inside, and he damaged the electrical circuit, and or maybe the battery. He oxidate. You let the battery for a long time. You forget to remove, and the battery can oxidate and can damage the earpiece. And the same can appear this noise. So if you go a little distance between the electrical devices, and if you hear the same big noises, change the location, and if not, you have to replace the earpiece. Another situation, for example, if the voice of your helper is too low. If your voice of your helper is too low, only you can do only two things. First of all, replace the battery, and second one, check the volume for the devices, and not keep a long distance between the devices, the car key and the earpiece. Okay. Okay, so maybe first you can check the volume. Okay, press the volume to check the volume to be to the maximum. Change the battery from the earpiece, and keep a short distance between the earpiece and the car key. If this advice not solve the problem, you have to replace the earpiece, because the same, maybe yellow wax go inside and he destroyed the circuit, and you have to replace the earpiece. Another situation, maybe for example, the voice of your helper is not clear. Okay, is higher but is not clear. What can you do in this kind of situation? This is because, for example, if you have an audio speaker at home, and if you set the volume to the maximum, you can see the same. The quality is not good. The quality of the sound is poor. So in this situation, try to not set the volume to the maximum. This is very important. If you set the volume, if you let the level of the volume to the maximum, you hear the voice of your helper unclear. So first of all, set the maximum volume, and after that press only one time, short press one time, or two times the down volume, and not let the volume to the maximum. Try to decrease a little bit the volume. The quality of the sound, the quality of the voice of your helper depend the balance. You need to find the balance between the level and the position of the car key to the earpiece, distance between and position between these two devices. So you have to a little bit practice. You have to make some test before, not buy the product and go for the first time in the area where you want to use. Maybe you think is hard to use, but it's not so hard. I want to explain the very good all situation, and with a little bit practice before, surely you can use the device with success. So try to make some test before, and a little bit practice before for understand and for for see how the device work. Another situation, um, another situation can be. Oh, I forget. I explained you before. Sorry, it's fine.